I found a 91 F-150 and I bought it when I was 12 years old for $1,200. I've always been told there's like a Vermont farm license where if you drive within so many miles of the farm for farm use, you can drive before you have your license. I drove everywhere. And as I got money, we just started lifting the truck and then bigger tires. And then we put a roll bar on that my dad welded to the frame so that when I rolled it, it didn't kill us all. And then we welded the push bar to the end of the frame. So when I hit something, it didn't kill us all. He wouldn't let me have anything more than a bench seat. He's like, if you're going to roll this thing with friends in it, I only want it to fit 2 other kids. I mean, by the time I got my license, that thing was, it was either on 35s or 37s and it was lifted to the sky. It had a 302 and it was automatic and we had the bands tied